Hello, my name is Edo Liberty. I'm the founder and CEO of Pinecone. Today, I have the privilege to introduce Pinecone Serverless. Knowledgeable generative AI applications require large amounts of data in vector databases to be accurate. Yet, scaling vector databases is both hard and expensive. This prevents many from realizing the potential in generative AI. Pinecone Serverless finally solves that. It is a completely new cloud architecture for Pinecone specifically and for vector databases as a whole. It is a step function in capabilities, scale, performance, cost, and ease of use. Some of our customers are already running knowledgeable generative AI applications at scale with Pinecone Serverless. Starting today, Pinecone Serverless is available to everyone in public preview. When I started Pinecone almost 5 years ago, the goal was to enable a new generation of AI applications that require a vector database to represent knowledge. This mission became much more important when generative AI became one of the most transformative technologies of our generation. As the creator and leader of the vector database category, Pinecone works with thousands of companies and tens of thousands of developers, making semantic search and RAG applications better. We learned that large language models require the right context to be accurate. This is obviously true with data the models were not trained on, but it is true even with data in the training set and with fine-tuned models. To improve the reliability of these models, you need a lot of information in your vector database, often billions of vectors. Until today, getting to that scale was both operationally hard and very expensive. Vector database users today need to worry about charting for horizontal scaling and managing vertical scaling. They have to choose hardware, algorithms, and configurations. The right choice is not obvious upfront, and wrong choices are hard to change later. Moreover, once those databases are running at scale, they are very expensive. They keep allocated resources whether they are used or not. So, we went back to the drawing board, redesigned and rebuilt the entire cloud database from scratch. Let me tell you what we built for you. First and foremost, we completely changed the data layout. Vectors are organized in thousands and sometimes millions of files in distributed storage containing clusters of vectors. These are clumps of close-by vectors which are likely to be queried together. Automatically keeping data geometrically organized and fresh in this way is actually very complicated, and we built a completely new write path service that does that very efficiently. Then the real magic happens at query time. An AI-powered query planner selects only a very small fraction of those clusters that will likely contain the top results. This ability is critical for controlling both cost and latency at scale. Then the selected clusters are searched with our proprietary algorithms. We spent years optimizing them, and they outperform all open source libraries, including FICE and HNSW. To improve utilization even further, all queries are executed by a multi-tenant query execution layer that serves thousands of customers simultaneously. That way, many CPUs can immediately participate in each query execution. And once the query execution is complete, the customer no longer holds those resources and therefore also doesn't pay for them. The result is a revolutionary new cloud vector database with 10 to 100x lower cost and 100% hands-free scaling. Engineers building production-grade applications tell us they don't want to use black box tools. They want to use the best-of-breed solutions for each part of their stack. As a part of our serverless launch, we announced partnerships and integrations with key technologies in the generative AI stack. And if this was not enough, you are probably already using Pinecone Serverless without even knowing it. If you're using Notion Q&A, you are using Pinecone. Notion is a trailblazer in generative AI. Their customers can ask complex questions about their own documents and content in Notion. They use Pinecone to provide factual answers and references to those documents. You're also using Pinecone Serverless if you're using Gong or Canva. Others are trailblazing different markets: Klarna in financial services, CS Disco in legal tech, and Frontier Medicine in life science. We are on a mission. We will not stop making it easier to build knowledgeable AI systems. Pinecone Serverless is a huge step forward in that direction. It is now easier than ever before to build transformative and knowledgeable AI experiences. We cannot wait to partner with you as you become the next trailblazer.